Do you know how to unfollow hashtags on Instagram? It's simple to follow a hashtag on Instagram. It is comparable to following a person on Instagram. You can unfollow a hashtag if you accidentally follow it or no longer want to be associated with it. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to unfollow hashtags on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Tap on search icon at the bottom bar. Tap on search bar and type hashtags you want to unfollow. Tap on hashtag you want to unfollow. Long tap on following button. From the pop-up menu, tap on Unfollow. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to unfollow hashtags on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.